Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock hidden camera with IR. Before that though, if you do find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our new Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock hidden camera with IR. It looks and functions just like a regular clock. The small size allows you to place the camera almost anywhere without it looking out of place. The clock is loaded with awesome features. It has motion activation and notifications, so it will only record when motion is detected and it will send you an alert when triggered. This camera also has built-in night vision, allowing you to see in the dark. The camera will time and date stamp the recordings so you know when they occurred. The camera can be battery operated or it can be plugged into the wall for continuous power. It will record to a micro SD card, allowing you to store multiple days worth of recording depending on the SD card size. The app is so simple to use, you can live view your cameras and recordings from almost anywhere using your smartphone. You can even view multiple cameras at the same time. The videos can be played on both Windows and Mac computers. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that the Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock hidden camera with IR comes with. So if we open her up there, first thing we'll notice is of course the camera itself. So if we take her out of the little wrapper, just on a plain view, taking a look at it, I mean there's really nothing obtrusive nor out of the ordinary about the device. It just looks like an average little desk clock. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put that to the side just for now. Alright. So if we take out the little insert here, we got a couple different things. So this is the actual power cord. So this is what allows you to actually plug it into your wall adapter so you can supply power to the actual clock at that point via the micro USB and normal size USB. So you can definitely feel free to utilize a wall adapter, whatever you have at that point for power purposes. So we also do have a SD card adapter. So what this allows you to do is remove the SD card from the camera. You can plug it into the butt here on this, and that allows you to USB plug it straight into your computer or laptop so that you can review and download the information. So it does also come with a spare faceplate for it actually. So on this unit itself, it would be kind of in a circumstance to where, you know, if it just ended up getting real scratched up over time, faded, whatever it may be, it just comes with a secondary replacement. So at that point, you have the availability. You can remove the old one off, put this one in place, have it looking nice. So the last thing that'll come with in the box is the manual. So this is a manual that is handwritten by us over here at SpyCentre. It has all sorts of wonderful information in regards to just setting up the device, setting it up on your cell phone, whatever it may be at that point. So definitely if you have any questions, I would recommend you refer here, and then you can always feel free to give us a call at that point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take the clock into my back office. I'm going to set it up and we're going to perform a couple little quality demonstration tests for you guys. So let's go ahead and do that.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
What you are looking at is a quality demonstration test of the Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock hidden camera with IR. We went ahead and set up the camera throughout a couple different spots in our office just to give you a general idea as to what type of field of view and picture quality this camera can offer for you. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the night vision quality looks like on the Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock hidden camera. So what I did was I took the camera into our back office so I can give you an idea as to how far the night vision can travel. This is an example at 25 feet. This is an example at 15 feet. This is an example at 10 feet. And lastly, this is an example of the night vision quality at 5 feet. We do monitor the comment sections on our video, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.